Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to show you how I made this matte black and gold leaf or gold foil design. I rarely make matte designs because I really love my shiny finishes, my glossy top coats and the whole shebang, but since I did try out those like pearlescent matte polishes a little while ago from Born Pretty store, I was just really into doing a full matte design. And even though it is matte, the gold and the gold leaf actually does give a cool shimmer to it, even though it's matted out. But yeah, I really like it. But also in this video I wanted to mention that Born Pretty store is having a Black Friday sale, which is really cool. You can use my 20% discount code, which is FEM20, to get of course 20% off of your next purchase. So please be welcome to use my code. Yeah, it's just really easy, really convenient, and 20% off. Who doesn't like that? So I am going to start off with a black polish, and I am going to use a black stamping polish as a regular polish, which is something you can totally do if you want your nail polish color to be super opaque within the first layer. Just use a good stamping polish, because those are so highly pigmented. You only need one layer to have a completely opaque, flawless base layer. And of course you want to make sure to apply a good layer of base coat on forehand, because stamping polishes are so highly pigmented, they can pretty much stain the nail pretty badly. So I just applied a double layer of my favorite base coat, which is by Essence. I use it all the time. Also, Born Pretty store has some really nice base coats, but I really haven't tried them out, or at least I haven't used them in a while, just because I love my Essence base coats really much and they're really easy to get by for me. But back to the tutorial, I am going to use two colors from the Pearlescent Matte collection, which I reviewed I think a couple of weeks ago, or maybe like I think 2 weeks ago or something. So I'm going to use this gold color as well as a gunmetal gray, kind of black-ish color. In this collection there was also another really dark gray color, but there was a little bit of purple in there. So I am going to use the really fully like black gunmetal kind of color, the one without the purple in it. So you just want to apply 2 layers of that. And the black polish, by the way, I just applied to the thumb and the ring finger. I really love how quickly opaque that was, and because it is a stamping polish, it also dries really quickly. But I do have to mention that these pearlescent matte polishes do dry really fast as well, so you do want to work pretty quickly with it, because otherwise your polish will become thick and clumpy and not really easy to apply anymore. So just make sure to polish each layer pretty fast and just screw the cap back onto the bottle to prevent it from getting all thick and messy, and oh, we don't like that. But then I'm also going to use this beautiful gold shade, and I'm going to apply that to the middle finger. The previous color, of course, as you can see here in the footage, is applied to the pinky nail as well as the pointer finger. I really love this combination. Like, I made this design especially for the Born Pretty store Black Friday sale, which by the way starts on November 29th and runs throughout December 2nd, so you have like a full long weekend to get some really good deals. And of course use my discount for 20% off of your purchase. Like, hello. 20% off is like such a good deal in my opinion. But because this design is especially for Black Friday, I really wanted to use black, but I think gold is also such a beautiful color combined with black, and especially this time of year with like the holidays coming up and everything, I think this design will be beautiful to wear throughout the entire month of December. And yeah, black and gold is just such a winner combination in my opinion. But I am going to use some gold leaf or gold foil, however you want to call it, like the really thin foil you don't want to touch with your fingers because it will just like vanish. So I'm just pulling apart a little piece into smaller pieces with my tweezers and an orange wood stick, and I am going to apply that to a couple of my nails. So just you can make the little pieces as big or as small as you want to. I'm just going to apply those to the fully black nails, and I'm going to adhere those with a little bit of quick drying top coat. I especially took a quick drying top coat because that's just the one I usually really love to wear and just apply, because you don't want to wait forever before your nail polish is completely dry and hardened out. The only thing is, if you're not that fast in applying gold leaf or gold foil like this with a quick drying top coat, just go for a regular top coat, or maybe even just a clear coat of nail polish, which takes a little bit longer to dry. But if you're like me and you're like getting pretty good at your nail art skills and working pretty fast as well, you can just use a quick drying one. Again, if you don't have another top coat or clear coat of polish, and you're not as fast yet, you can always apply just a little bit of that top coat at a time. Just add your foil or your gold leaf, and then just go on with adding a little bit extra of that top coat or clear coat. That way you have like the same effect, but your entire top coat won't be completely dry, even if you're just halfway down the nail with applying your foils, you know? So yeah, that's just a little quick tip in between. I just use my orange wood stick to press the little gold leaf or gold foil, however you want to call it. How do you call it? I usually just call it gold leaf because that's what it looks like the most in my opinion. But let me know down in the comments how you call this foil or gold leaf. Whatever. I have it in a ton of different colors as well, so yeah, I really like it, but I don't use it that often. But for this design, I just thought it would look so cool, and especially in the end result when I have applied the matte top coat, it looks so cool. It still has like a little bit of shine left in there, but not too much, and I don't know. I'm just totally into matte finishes at the moment, which is something I thought that would never happen to me because I love my shiny finishes and just bling stuff so much. But I think it looks really cool, and I think matte top coats have a new big fan sitting here, like right in front of you, talking to you. Like, I never thought the day would come, but I really, really like it. But yeah, back to the video. As I said, it's kind of like repetitive because I'm doing two nails exactly the same, and that's like almost the end of the entire design already. So you just want to apply as much or as little of the foil or gold leaf as you want. Again, I just took some bigger pieces, some smaller pieces, just placed them really randomly. I didn't want to totally flood the nail with the gold. I still wanted the black color to be quite visible. So yeah, I'd say about like half to 3/4 of the entire surface of the nail is covered with the gold leaf. So yeah, I really, really like it. Just make sure that the foil or the gold leaf is totally pressed into that top coat layer. Let it dry for, I'd say, 5 minutes, just to make sure it's like ready for the next layer. So I am going to apply a matte top coat. And the one that I'm using today, I think it's by Essence. I just recently bought it. I do have a matte top coat by Born Pretty store as well, but I couldn't find it. Like, I don't know where I left it. I don't know. I have like a couple of drawers with my base coat, top coats, and special effect toppers, and I expected it to be in there, but it wasn't. So I don't know what happened to it, but I definitely need to get myself another matte top coat by Born Pretty store, even though this one by Essence also works really nicely. Essence is not like perfectly or easily available worldwide, and Born Pretty store is. They actually do ship worldwide, and I do think they ship for free as well, which is so cool. I really love that about them. But yeah, that was already the entire design. Just make sure you let your matte top coat fully dry for like 5 minutes as well, because yeah, it does take a little longer to be fully dry and fully hardened out, but I totally dig this look, like the matte black with the matted out foil and just those pearlescent matte polishes, again with an extra layer of matte top coat. Looks so cool. I really love it. Also, I just wanted to share a couple of other items that I got from Born Pretty store, which I really like that, and like a little nipper. I love their stamping polishes. I love their little like nail scissors, and their gem picker up thingy is so nice. It's like a perfect dupe for the crystal katana. But yeah, I really hope you liked it. Let me know what you think, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.